We have long believed that our genes determine our fate. However, recent scientific advances are revolutionizing this belief. This is due to the emergence of a new field called epigenetics. Epigenetics shows us the amazing fact that we can control the expression of our genes, which can have a huge impact on our health and longevity. In this article, we will learn more about the concept of epigenetics, its impact on our health, and how we can use it. What is epigenetics? Epigenetics is a combination of the Greek word epi, meaning on the genes, and genetics, meaning genetics. It refers to the concept that gene expression can be changed without changing the DNA sequence. In other words, our genetic code remains the same, but the way in which those genes are turned on or turned off can be changed. Key epigenetic mechanisms. 1. DNA methylation methyl groups are added to DNA to suppress gene expression. 2. Histone modification of histone proteins that wrap DNA changes gene accessibility. 3. Non-coding RNA-specific RNA molecules regulate gene expression. These mechanisms are influenced by various external factors such as environment, lifestyle, stress, and nutritional status. Epigenetics and health connection. Epigenetics has a wide range of effects on our health. Let's look at some of the major areas. 1. Cancer prevention and treatment. Epigenetic changes play a significant role in the development and progression of cancer. Abnormal, on or off, of certain genes can cause cancer. Conversely, reversing these changes could be a new approach to cancer treatment. Example: sulforaphane, which is found in broccoli, cabbage, etc., is known to have an epigenetic effect that activates anti-cancer genes. 2. Delaying aging. Epigenetic changes are closely related to the aging process. As we age, a specific pattern of epigenetic changes occurs, which is called the epigenetic clock. There is research on the possibility that we can delay our biological age by regulating this clock. Example: intermittent fasting, regular exercise, etc., can help to slow down the epigenetic clock. 3. Prevent chronic diseases. Many chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's, are found to be associated with epigenetic changes. Epigenetic regulation can be used to lower the risk of these diseases. Example: the Mediterranean diet is known to have an epigenetic effect that activates genes that are good for heart health. 4. Improve mental health. Mental health problems such as stress, depression, and anxiety are also associated with epigenetic changes. Stress can change the methylation patterns of certain genes, which in turn affects mental health. Example: mindfulness activities such as meditation and yoga can help regulate the expression of stress-related genes. 5. Strengthen the immune system. The function of the immune system is also subject to epigenetic regulation. Certain lifestyle habits or environmental factors can alter the expression of immune-related genes, either strengthening or weakening immunity. For example, a diet rich in vitamins C and D can help activate immune-related genes. How to hack your genes. The amazing thing about epigenetics is that we can influence the expression of our genes in our daily lives. Here are some practical ways to hack your genes. 1. Nutrition and diet. Certain foods have powerful epigenetic effects. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, etc., activate anti-cancer genes. Berries activate antioxidant genes. Green tea activate metabolism regulating genes. Turmeric activate anti-inflammatory genes. Omega-3 fatty acids activate brain health genes. Practical tip: eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, and eat fish at least 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise causes a wide range of epigenetic changes. Activation of metabolic genes. Activation of anti-inflammatory genes. Activation of brain plasticity genes. Practice tip: combine moderate intensity aerobic exercise for 30 minutes or more, 5 times a week, with strength training 2 to 3 times a week. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress can cause harmful epigenetic changes. Meditation reduces stress-related gene expression. Yoga activates anti-inflammatory genes. Adequate sleep activates cellular regeneration genes. Practice tip: practice 10 to 15 minutes of meditation every day and get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. 4. Avoid environmental toxins. Certain environmental toxins can cause harmful epigenetic changes. BPA in plastic products, endocrine disruptors. Pesticides, various harmful epigenetic changes. Air pollution activates inflammatory genes. Practice tip: choose organic foods and use BPA-free products. Try to breathe as clean air as possible. 5. Social connection. Strong social ties also have positive epigenetic effects. Reduced loneliness, reduced expression of genes related to inflammation. Social support activated stress response genes. Practice tips: spend time with family and friends regularly and participate in community activities. 6. Continuous learning. Learning new things also causes epigenetic changes in the brain. Activated genes related to cognitive function. Increased brain plasticity. Practice tip: learn a new language, play an instrument, or solve a puzzle. The future of epigenetics. Epigenetics research is still in its early stages, but its potential is enormous. Here are some of the advances we can expect in the future. 1. Personalized nutrition and exercise prescriptions. We will be able to provide personalized diet and exercise plans based on an individual's epigenetic profile. This will help us find the most effective way to improve health for each individual. 2. Epigenetic drug therapy. New drugs will be developed that target epigenetic changes associated with specific diseases. This could revolutionize the treatment of a variety of diseases, including cancer, Alzheimer's, and autoimmune diseases. 3. Anti-aging technologies. As technologies to control the epigenetic clock advance, it may become possible to slow or even reverse biological aging. 4. Improving health across generations. Research is emerging that parents' lifestyle habits can affect their children's epigenetic profiles. This means that healthy lifestyles in the current generation can improve the health of future generations. 5. Impact on environmental policy. As epigenetic research results accumulate, we will be able to understand more precisely the impact of environmental pollution on health. This could serve as the basis for establishing stricter environmental policies, cautions, and ethical considerations. The potential of epigenetics is enormous, but there are also some caveats. 1. Beware of oversimplification. Epigenetics is a complex process, and changes won't happen immediately or dramatically. Simply by eating certain foods or doing certain activities, it will require long-term, consistent effort. 2. Privacy. Epigenetic profiles are highly sensitive personal information. Strong safeguards are needed to prevent misuse of this information. 3. Equity issues. We must be careful that advances in epigenetic technologies do not exacerbate health inequalities. Everyone should be able to benefit from this knowledge and technology. 4. Avoid deterministic thinking. Epigenetics is important, but it does not completely determine our health and destiny. We must keep in mind that many factors are at work. 5. The importance of scientific validation. While many exciting discoveries are being made in the field of epigenetics, some are still in the early stages of research. It is important to distinguish between information that is scientifically sound and information that is not. Conclusion. Epigenetics is fundamentally changing the way we think about genes and health. We are no longer slaves to our genes, but can become active agents in controlling the expression of our genes. This represents a revolutionary change in personal health management. The fact that our everyday choices, what we eat, how we exercise, how we manage stress, how we interact with our environment can all affect the expression of our genes is a powerful message. It gives us great responsibility and hope. However, gene hacking, using epigenetics, is not a magic bullet. It is a process that requires long-term and consistent effort. Furthermore, individual efforts alone may not be enough. Social and environmental factors also have a significant impact on our epigenetic profile. Therefore, social efforts to create a healthy environment must be combined with individual efforts. Epigenetics research is still in its early stages, and there will be more discoveries and developments in the future. We can closely monitor these scientific developments while simultaneously improving our lives. Based on what we know now, a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, adequate sleep, social connections, and continuous learning. It's encouraging to see that these basic lifestyle habits go beyond just temporary health improvements to the expression of our genes. This reminds us once again of the importance of the small choices we make every day. In the future, personalized healthcare based on an individual's epigenetic profile will be possible. But we don't have to wait until then. Right now, we can use the principles of epigenetics to improve our health and live better lives. Hacking your genes is not just a slogan. It's a scientific statement that we can take greater control over our health and destiny. I hope this information has been helpful and inspiring to you. If you would like to receive more health and science-related information, please click the subscribe button right now. And if you found this video helpful, please click the like button. If you would like to be the first to see new videos, please also set up notifications. We support your healthy and happy life. See you in the next video.